Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw on Exodus. First, open your Exodus wallet and navigate to the asset you wish to send. You'll then click the Send button. It's crucial to ensure you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and the appropriate network for your transaction. Always double-check the recipient's address carefully to avoid any errors and ensure your funds reach the intended destination. Once you've selected your asset, you'll see the Send option. Click it to open the withdrawal screen. Here, you'll paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. You can choose to send a specific amount or select Send All if you want to transfer your entire balance. Before finalizing, a confirmation screen will appear, showing all transaction details. This includes the amount you're sending and any associated network fees. Take a moment to carefully review everything, especially the recipient address and the total amount. Once you're confident, click Send to initiate the withdrawal. Remember, transaction times can vary depending on network congestion. For maximum security, always double-check the recipient address. A small mistake can lead to irreversible loss of your funds. Also, be mindful of network fees, as they can fluctuate and affect the total amount received. Consider sending a small test transaction first for larger amounts. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.